I am HeoQuinonez from Santa Clara, California. I am a trained and certified heavy equipment operating engineer. This is my video resume. It is in two parts: equipment skills and certificates. First, my equipment skills. For each piece of equipment mentioned here, I did a walk-around inspection, control identification, startup procedures, equipment-specific tasks, and shutdown procedures. I am trained and certified on the Case 4WC front wheel loader, Cat D4K dozer, Cat 305C excavator, Cat 414IL skip loader grader, Cat 420E backhoe, John Deere 710D backhoe, Case 570 MXT skip loader grader, Mustang skid steer, Cat skid steer. In addition to this equipment, I am certified by Caterpillar on their M series motor graders. You can view my equipment skills on my YouTube site, HeoQuinonez. And now about my certificates. I am back bucket certified. To get back bucket certified, I had to dig a flat bottom trench 2 feet deep, the full reach of the equipment with proper placement of the spoil pile, and do it within 10 minutes. I qualified on 2 different backhoes and on an excavator. I am front bucket certified and blade certified as well. I am a certified grade checker. I can set up a transit, determine the height of instrument, shoot grade, verify my readings, calculate the cut or fill, and communicate the information on stakes or by other means. I can read an engineer's rule. I am certified in dig alert procedures. The law requires that every contractor use dig alert on every job. I can recognize facilities and identify substructures. I can delineate a work site, call in with proper information, verify facility activity, and I know the pothole requirements. I have a construction math certificate. I can calculate cubic yards, safe working load for rope, and wire rope, and sling stretch for the rigging. I can work with fractions and lay out a slope. I am a certified rigger. The law requires that on every job, someone must be assigned the responsibility for the rigging. Over 90% of the time, the operator is the one given that responsibility. I can determine if the rigging is proper for lifting the load. I can determine if the rigging is in good working condition, and I know the ways to attach the rigging to the load by using the halter, the basket, and the choker hitches. I am also certified in oxygen acetylene cutting. A large number of the permits being pulled today are for demolition. I know how to set up the tanks, how to get a cutting flame, how to cut the steel, and how to do it all safely. I also know air brakes. I have a CDL with doubles, triples, and tanker endorsements. I can do a compressor test, a leak test, and a governor test. I know about the proper operating range and the importance of draining the tanks daily. And now, a little bit about safety. I have been MSHA safety trained. MSHA is the only nationally recognized safety training program in the United States. There are no others. MSHA teaches us that we need to look after each other and share in the responsibility of keeping each other safe. My MSHA safety training focus upon personal safety, equipment safety, and environmental safety. And finally, my supervisor skills. As a supervisor, I was responsible for getting work done through my crew. I assigned work to those who were able to do the work and trained those who were not able, so they would become able. And I was responsible for verifying that the work was done properly and on time. You can see more of my skills on my YouTube site, HeoQuinonez. You can contact me at 408-644-5660. That is my cell phone number. Thank you.